I learned how to make fresh salsa, French bread, lasagna, scones, Mediterranean chicken pasta salad.
I learned a few cutting techniques, a lot of meaningful tricks that help keep things fresh, make things a little easier, how to participate as a team, and also how to feed a very large group of people.
I learned a lot of stuff.
And I like it. I really like it. I like going to work every day.
We do try to teach the basics where someone coming in not knowing anything could actually go get at least a prep job going into the culinary world and then advance from there.
I'm in Station 1, which is the cook station. I do all the cooking for the day. We're cooking the dinner for tonight, which is pork chops.
They're country style pork chops where they're floured with seasoning and grilled.
Caramelized onions, mushroom gravy with steamed broccoli with rice and meatballs.
We try to do classical dishes. We'll do as much scratch cooking as possible.
Definitely gonna apply it every single day, pretty much of my life, including, cooking for myself.
Yeah. A little bit of ranch and the hard-boiled egg. Well, that's perfect.